फ्लिपकार्ट एक ऐसा पोर्टल है जो कि सेलर्स को प्रमोट करता है।
किसी को फोन कर करके बोलना पड़ता है पेमेंट दो, ऐसा तो अपने फ्लिपकार्ट में नहीं है।
रियली नाइस।
मुझे लोग कहते हैं कि इनका करोड़ों का बिजनेस चल रहा है।
1 करोड़ मुझे दे देना। वाओ। They say the secret to success is to start before you're ready. हमारे नेक्स्ट स्टार सेलर के साथ भी कुछ ऐसा ही हुआ। उन्होंने शुरू भले ही मजबूरी में किया हो, पर आज वो एक ऐसे मकाम पे पहुंचे हैं जहां बहुत से लोगों को उनसे ईर्ष्या होगी। Balaji was 18-year-old when he started his career as a foreign exchange trader. But sadly, his father's health took a turn for the worst. घर के बड़े बेटे होने के नाते घर की जिम्मेदारियां उनके कंधों पर पड़ी। अपने एग्जिस्टिंग काम से मानसिक तनाव के कारण उन्होंने जॉब चेंज करने की सोची। 26 साल की उम्र में उन्होंने अपैरल के बिजनेस में अपनी एंट्री मारी और पिछले 18 महीने से वो फ्लिपकार्ट के साथ जुड़े हैं। वेलकम बालाजी।
Thank you. Hi.
Thank you for giving us time. And with us also is Anshul Sehgal, Head of Marketing, Flipkart Marketplace.
थैंक यू रिचा।
Thank you. So Balaji, tell me, you could have been a comfortable foreign exchange trader. What made you start a business? You know, business is risky.
This foreign exchange or used to taking risks. It's like always playing it on the edge. I got used to like handling a lot of stressful situations where we are supposed to take decisions and what those decisions are going to land us on. Pretty hectic time. So that thing, you know, maybe helped me start my own business.
But tell me, when your father took ill, that sort of triggered you to move in a different direction.
That was when I stopped doing this foreign exchange trading, and I felt like I should focus on a less. So that was when I started learning this digital marketing, and I ventured into this entirely new domain, and so that's how that's when things started falling into place.
Yeah, everything that we spoke about in your life has to do with the internet. You start forex trading, you were running a few Facebook pages. Tell me about those pages.
Well, those pages, it's like kind of I had them just to stay connected with my contacts and clients, and I used to not just run them, I also used to optimize them and try to make those pages pop up when certain keywords were typed in.
Yeah.
So perhaps that helped me learn digital marketing spontaneously. I didn't have any clue that I'm actually learning digital marketing while doing that.
What was that exact moment when you decided maybe it's time for me to start my own business?
Happened in my family. So they gave me a land, I just sold it in a month. So
Wow.
that's when I realized, okay, I'm getting pretty good at selling things.
Yeah.
Why not, you know, run my own e-commerce stores?
Yeah.
Was to start with this apparels domain. So I started working.
I believe where you come from, Tirupur, is also a real hub of apparel textile.
Exactly. So Tirupur is the manufacturing hub of textiles in India. They also call it as the little Manchester of India.
Anshul, I want to ask you कि ये जिस जगह से आते हैं वहाँ इतने सारे लोग apparel business में हैं, तो आपको इनकी जर्नी के बारे में क्या कहना है?
So as he comes across, he's kind of a go-getter kind of an attitude which he has, which I think has helped him a lot. Because assume that, you know, we're creating services and features which will help the sellers, and if they are taking advantage of it, I think that's the best combination that one can hope for.
That actually brings me to my next question. I was going to ask you, when you moved your business online, were there any apprehensions, or did you consider Flipkart? Because unlike a lot of other sellers, you actually understand digital marketing. What about their site, you know, gave them an advantage over other sites?
Flipkart offers multi-location pickup. We assign every location to a certain product. It saves a lot of turmoil for the manufacturers to transport the goods to a different location and consolidate them all together in a warehouse for the location for the pickup to happen.
Yeah.
It's a pretty good feature actually.
Yeah. Specific things does Flipkart do to make it easy for you as a manufacturer, as a seller? Does it help to have an account manager dedicated to you?
When you're running a business online and you don't have any clue of how to manage it or what's happening in your listings or how to improve it, so it's better to have a backup, and that's where these account managers come in the picture. You can ask them how to improve the brand, how to improve the sales, and that's where you need to do something about it. So account manager thing which Flipkart offers, I have, to my knowledge, no other marketplace in this venture, in this domain offers. So there is one exclusivity which you can really make use of. And again, the other thing, to improve your sales, I'd suggest to make utilize of the regional stock movement. One more thing that you can basically make use of is this onboarding, the warehouse, so where you can spread your stock across the country, like in 4 different zones, so that it gets shipped faster in like a day or 2.
Yeah.
It provides options for a 1 or 2 day delivery, so that the users are intrigued and they come back again and again, placing orders in your store.
I know you're from Tirupur and it's a hub, but why apparel? It's such a competitive category.
Apparels, everybody needs it. In India, like only 40% of the population have purchased online.
Okay.
So 40%, it's like I might not be accurate on that figure, but that's just kind of a ballpark. So basically that's where it falls, and we have still, at least if you are able to tap in like 10 to another 20% of the market, it's humongous. It's huge.
18 months ago, you moved and joined Flipkart, right? So, was that because of the lockdown and because of COVID, or were you already inclined that way and your timing was just super lucky?
This COVID situation, especially the first wave, we were not prepared. It was all unexpected. So we just couldn't do anything about it and just stand braced for it.
Yeah.
So that was when we figured out which marketplace would be very compatible to our product, and that was when we started exploring Flipkart. So it was a huge revelation for us, and in a matter of days we were done with the listings, and the photo shoot was also done, and our products were live, and like 20 days and 25 days of hustle, and the sales were coming in.
So how does your family feel now about your success? How do your parents feel? How does your brother feel?
See, whatever just which puts smile on your family's face, right?
Yeah.
That is more than enough. It's like I'd say that's what success is.
I want to ask you, Anshul, he's such a good example, having achieved this much in such a short span of time. What would you like to say to other people who are watching this interview and who have taken tips from his journey? What would you like to say to motivate them?
I think his thought process is very profound and also has a lot of clarity. So I would really suggest that if you're very resilient, which really shows in the way he's talking about a lot of things in terms of what is important for your target audience, understanding their psyche, and trying to come up with efforts that can take you on that journey. I think resilience combined with being diligent throughout and really taking advantage of the systems that we are creating for them. I think that in combination really will help the sellers as well as Flipkart grow together.
I'm sure many people will be inspired by his success, because it's literally taken him 18 months to be on this couch. So now, to take things ahead and to have a little bit of fun before we let you go, we are going to play a rapid fire question and answer round. No tension, just I'll say questions fast and you have to give me quick replies.
Okay.
First thing that comes to your mind, so you don't censor yourself, right? And at the end of it, we'll give you a hamper. Ready? Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Organic products or apparel? Which is closer to your heart?
Apparels.
Safe or traditional, or new and ambitious?
I'd say new and ambitious without disturbing the century-old traditions.
Wow. Leap before you look, or look before you leap?
Please look before you leap.
Describe yourself in 3 words.
Hustle for life.
If there's a biopic made on you, who would you like to play you? Like who would play Bala and why?
I'd say I'm still writing the script.
Oh, you're still
Let it be
writing.
done. And I'll see, because it's a very tough question.
What is that one thing that you'd still want to achieve in your life?
Getting a pilot's license.
Getting a pilot's license.
Yeah, I'm gonna get that anyway.
I forgot to mention, he also has aspirations of flying. So yeah. What works on the online marketplace? More products or specialization of products?
Specialization of products.
Okay, last question. Move ahead with Flipkart or go wait offline?
I'd say go with Flipkart. These days, even offline store owners are also selling on Flipkart. It's a very wise move, actually.
Yeah.
I'd say
So this is a good move.
this is the time to react.
Yeah. What's your current turnover and what kind of turnover are you dreaming of?
We're doing a pretty good turnover of around 2 to 5 crores right now, and
wow.
we're targeting somewhere around 20. Yeah,
20 CR?
yeah.
That's huge. So that was Bala, जिन्होंने सही मायने में लॉकडाउन में अपने बिजनेस को ऑनलाइन शिफ्ट करके आपदा में अवसर खोजा. Thank you so much for giving us your time and sharing all this with
The
us.
pleasure is mine. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Anshul, as always. So here's your hamper, Bala. I hope you enjoy it as much
Thank
as
you.
we enjoyed talking to you today.
Okay.
And thank you for your insights. Thanks, Anshul.
Thank you, Richa, and thank you, Vala.
Thank you, Anshul. Thank you.
Rolling?
फ्लिपकार्ट एक ऐसा पोर्टल है जो कि सेलर्स को प्रमोट करता है.
किसी को फोन कर करके बोलना पड़ता है पेमेंट दो. ऐसा तो अपने फ्लिपकार्ट में नहीं है.
Really nice.
मुझे लोग कहते हैं कि इनका करोड़ों का बिजनेस चल रहा है.
1 करोड़ मुझे दे देना. Wow.